Now Assist for ITSM Global Workshops. Andy Creer, it's really great to have you. Question one, what can attendees expect to learn from these global workshops?
Chad, what is this music? What is going on here? So what's happening? All right, I'll try and ignore it. Hey, the workshops. We're coming out to a city near you. We were just in Dallas. We were in Amsterdam a couple weeks ago. We are taking people through hands-on with lab instances, walking you through everything from setting up Now Assist for ITSM, seeing it live in the service operations workspace, seeing it at the Now Assist panel, walking through all of the experiences hands-on, showing customers all of the great value you get from everything from summarization, KB generation, virtual agent, all of the capabilities that we've released so far.
Wow. So hands-on, that is definitely something that customers really love. I've learned over the many releases, labs, that is amazing. So what is the feedback been on these sessions from customers?
Is this Slumdog Millionaire or something? Like it's back. What's going on with this music? All right. The feedback so far, I gotta tell you, it's pretty funny. Because the setup for Now Assist is so easy. The labs, I've done technical labs in the past where we're walking people through like training models, we're walking people through setting up process mining, right? It gets really detailed and you get really nitty gritty. It's kind of funny. This is not a super technical lab because Now Assist just works. You go in, you turn a skill on, you point it at some data, and it just answers your questions, right? So some of the feedback we're getting is, that's it? And then they get into there and get to the experience and they go, oh my gosh, this is amazing. I didn't have to do anything and it just works. Actually, we had an area VP come join us in our Dallas workshop, and he said this was one of the most valuable sessions he's ever been to from ServiceNow, and he's been a customer since 2012. So I always love that kind of feedback.
That is amazing. So customers are getting their hands on GenAI. You're getting great feedback on these sessions, which I expect. So customers always like to know what's coming in these particular workshops, right? So what's on the roadmap for these?
Yeah, well, I got to tell you, ever since generative AI hit the scene about a year ago, it hasn't stopped. It's moving so fast, and we're right there with it. We had our first release back in Vancouver. We're keeping up every single quarter with another release. We've got coming up KB generation, which is a huge topic. Everybody loves that, being able to automatically generate knowledge articles from the content of your incidents. We've got coming up prompt configuration. So bring your own LLM, tweak your own prompts, bring your own data into that, which is super exciting. And then one of my personal favorites, we have change summarization. So everybody knows how challenging it is to approve changes, really understand what's coming in with those changes. We've got change summarization that's going to work hand in hand with your DevOps implementation to not only take the data from the change and the related list there, but take things like commits and stories to bring all of that together in one clear picture for those change approvers.
That's amazing. I know change management, a super game changer and a big ask from many of our customers. So what are your final comments around these global workshops?
Well, I gotta tell you, I had to put this map up here to keep track of everywhere we're gonna be. We're in 27 different cities all over the world. We've got coming up Irvine, Charlotte, London, Baltimore, Amsterdam, San Francisco, Rome, Sydney, Tokyo, Helsinki, Kirkland, and that's all happening before Knowledge. We're taking a little break. You got to come to Vegas, come see us at Knowledge. We got a ton of cool stuff we're going to show you there. After Knowledge, we pick right back up. We go to Munich, Frankfurt, Chicago, Singapore, New York, Paris, Madrid, Cincinnati, Zurich, Denver. The list goes on. We're going to be out near you. Come and see us. Come tell us what you're doing with generative AI. Come tell us what you want us to do with Now Assist. We want to hear that feedback. And the last thing, real quick, Chad, I want to give a quick shout out to our partners. We've got partners helping us host these all over. So it's really awesome. They're bringing, the good drinks, the good snacks, the happy hours afterwards. We got to thank GlideFast, New Rocket, RapDev, Sapphire. These folks are helping us make this happen all over the world. And so I just want to make sure we recognize those folks.
That's amazing. So partners, yeah, they're key to our success. So are the customers that are coming, getting their hands on this. Love this session with you, Andy Creer. Any questions, any comments, want to find out more about the cities, please reach out to Andy or myself in community. You'll see the URL here. And with that, Andy, thank you for spending your time with me, sir.
Thank you all. Looking forward to see you soon.